Hello friends, I'm Salina Panikot, and today we are going to discuss a very important aspect of teaching and learning, differentiation. The main objective of differentiation is to ensure that every single student gets the best chance at learning, including those who are falling behind and those who are ahead of year level expectations. One effective method is to differentiate learning experiences based on the skill level of the students. This is to ensure that students can move at a slower or faster pace based on their cognitive ability and their skill level. This can be achieved effectively by planning increased levels of cognitive challenge as the lesson progresses through tiered assignments or tasks, or through scaffolding, where students are supported through various strategies to achieve their learning targets. This is an example of an English lesson where students are expected to write a simple poem by applying appropriate language and form. In this lesson, although the complexity of the task is the same for all students, a scaffolding technique is used to support the grade level and struggling students. While advanced level students are expected to complete the task without much support, the grade level students are provided with a poem planning sheet to support the poem's development. Moreover, the struggling students are further supported with a poem template form to help achieve the intended learning outcome. The objective of this math lesson is to examine three types of graphs: line, bar, and pie graphs, and compare them. Although all students examine the same type of graphs, the complexity is varied by using graphs from different contexts. While advanced level students examine business graphs, grade level students scrutinize the less complex weather graphs, while struggling students explore the much simpler graphs from teen magazines. This strategy provides the appropriate challenge and support based on the skill level of students. The objective of this science lesson is to understand and explain the life cycle of a butterfly. Here, the complexity of the task progressively increases as we move from Tier 1 to 2 and then to 3. The Tier 1 task fulfills the standard expectations of the grade, while the Tier 2 task encourages students to explore deeper into the life cycle of other insects. Tier 3, however, provides the students opportunities to use their higher order thinking skills. They gather information, analyze, critique, and synthesize this information to come to a valid conclusion. This differentiation technique encourages students to move at their own pace through increasingly complex activities.